Alright, so there's always a great image behind a great sequence. So let's go ahead and create a great image using Dream 4.5. Go in here and just paste our prompt. Just throw the prompt in there. Style preset. Let's just do fantasy and generate the image. Just gonna throw the prompt in. Image and see what happens. This is pretty good. Let's do another last one. Random seed. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's getting better and better. It's getting better and better. I like this. I like this. I'm gonna download this. Okay. Then let's see the final one that comes up. I like this too. Okay. So now that we've done that, we can go back to the dashboard and go into. Make sure you download it. Okay. Dashboard and go into Kling. Let's go into 2.6. Apparently it's good. Gonna bring this one in and we're gonna give it that prompt that we had. So this system is gonna go in. Bro, look at this. Look at this. I swear, bro. Listen to this clip, bro. Fighting wolves.